is through a third-party application. You have the data that's encoded in journal GC files. So that's going to include the original event text and any of the index time fields, which are usually things like source post, various things like that. I just want to show, I have it locally installed here. It's a regular application. You can look, where your apps would normally be, and you can click on it. And it's fully self-documenting. Here are full instructions for how to use it, including examples and sample code if you want to write your own applications, and ways to use it in Hive. Here's an example. I'm defining a Hive table. I've just added a few extra lines that tell it to use the Splunk formatting, and then you pull out data that that would look just like a regular Hive table with various fields. And then at the top, we also have a downloads link where you can get the various jars that we can use for incorporating this into other systems. And if you click that, it's going to just start downloading it. And that's pretty much all the material we wanted to cover. Just to wrap things up, we want to provide you with as much flexibility as possible. You've got the cold to frozen path, which is a very easy to configure option if you have the location to move your data that's available via the file system. You have complete flexibility via the cold to frozen script, but then the onus of maintaining it is on you. And we now have the archive to Hadoop feature through Hunk, which will move the data over onto HDFS and maintain complete searchability using MapReduce framework via Hunk searches. And thank you all for attending. And now we'll stick around for a few minutes to ask questions.
Okay, I have two questions, and I'll reverse them because I think the answer to the first one is second.
Okay.
Your bucket reader is simply going to be able to decode the journal GZ that's written out there, correct?
Yes.
So that leads me to the second question, which I assume the answer is that yes, the journal GZ you're writing to Hadoop is byte identical to the one you would have written anywhere else.
It's the same file that we're using behind the scenes in Splunk Enterprise.
Thank you.
Yeah. If you have your own script that copies that file over, it's the same thing.
I'll take this one and then go back to you guys.
So your changes to your index.conf.
Yeah, let's do that. Discussion.
Yeah.